Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the FIFO method and the average method. These are the two valuation methods used to value the cost of closing inventory. FIFO method will not be covered because as per the new standard on inventory, this is discontinued. So let's have a look at FIFO method first, and then I'll be uploading another video in which I will cover the average cost method. Now before I start FIFO method, you need to imagine there is a warehouse. In the warehouse the stock comes in, and the warehouse manager will have to keep the stock in such a way that if there will be an issue or sale of stock, he will then use the first in first out method. The stock which we will buy first will be dispatched first. Now this dispatch can be to the production department, or it can be sales. Now in the warehouse he will have shelves. Now imagine he has got shelves, and he has got top shelf, middle shelf, and the bottom shelves. Now I have drawn 4 shelves because I know this question. I have done it before. So the question tells us that there was an opening stock of 5 units. So in the top shelf he's going to put the 5 units, and then in the table I'm going to write 5 units, and the price of the 5 units is 350. So if I work out the price per unit, 350 divided by 5, it will be 70. Then he bought purchase of 10 units. So he's going to put that in the second shelf, 10 units. And the price is £70 per unit. Therefore, the total will be 700. Then he sold. So in this question it is sales, but in some questions you may see the issue of inventory. So he issued 6 of them. So I'm going to write this with a different color. 6 units were sold. So how is he going to have these 6 units? He is going to take it from the first shelf first, 5 units from the top shelf. So that is gone. And then he still need 1 more unit, and he will have it from the bottom shelf. So out of 10, 9 units are left. When he took the stock from the top shelf, the price was £70, and that is 350. The bottom shelf is also valued at £70, and the total is 70. Now that means he has got only 9 left in the second shelf. Then what happened was, in February he bought some more stock, 7 units. So let's record them in the shelf, the third shelf. So 7 units were bought, and the price was 72, and the total will be 504. Now he issued 8 units. He sold 8 units. So I'm going to change the color. So how is he going to sell those 8 units? He's going to take it from the second shelf. He has got 9 units in the second shelf. So he's going to take 8 out of those. And the price will be, you can see the price is 70. So I'm going to write 70 over here. 560 is the value of the sales or the issue. That means out of 9, 8 has been used, only one left. Only 1 left in the second shelf, and there are still 7 units in the third shelf. Now moving on to the month of March. In the month of March he bought 8 units. So let's update our shelves. There are 8 units. The price is 75. So 8 into 75 is 600. And then he issued 6 units. Now when he has to issue 6 units, he will be starting from the top shelf. When I say top shelf, he has got 1 unit in the second shelf, so he's going to use that 1 unit, and that 1 unit is coming from here. Well, let me change the color. That is coming from this shelf, and the price is 70, so I'm going to write 70 over here. Now that means there is nothing left in the second shelf. He still has to fulfill the order, so he still needs 5 more units, which he is going to take from the third shelf. When he has taken 5, so that means there are 2 units left. So 5 will be valued at 72. $360. Now if it's very easy to look at the shelf, and I can easily see that there are 2 units left in the third shelf and 8 units left in the last shelf. So if I change the color, so there are 2 units left in the third shelf, which is coming from the 7 units, and the price was 72, 144, and the 8 units which he bought in March, and he did not use them, and the price is 70, three, 75, my mistake, it is 75 coming from here, and it is 600, and therefore the total is 744. So we can say we have 10 units. 2 units are priced at 72, and the other remaining 8 units are priced at 75. So the total value of the closing stock is 744. We are not going to mix them because we are using FIFO method, and this closing stock will be the opening stock for the month of April. So in the month of April, we will have 2 units at the price of 72 and 8 units at the price of 75. And when we will issue, we will again follow the FIFO method. Thank you very much.